A woman who had petrol thrown in her face without warning before being set on fire at her Dublin home has suffered serious burns to more than half of her body. The 43-year-old is currently in critical condition after being transferred to a specialist unit in St James's Hospital on Tuesday for treatment of her burns. Gardaí say the suspect fled the scene on an electric bike at Oak Downs in Clondalkin at around 10 a.m. on Tuesday. The woman is believed to have answered the door to the individual who doused her in petrol and set her alight. Her partner also suffered burn injuries while attempting to put out the flames that engulfed her. The Irish Independent has learned that the woman has burns to around 60% of her body, including to her face. Detectives are probing whether the woman's partner, who is thought to be the intended victim, owed a small drug debt to a local gang. He had only recently been released from Wheatfield Prison and is a notorious burglar with multiple previous convictions, including shoplifting. Gardaí are appealing to anyone who may have witnessed the incident to contact them.